Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I am going to share 4 Udemy coupons. Those are active now and you can grab it and enroll for these courses for free. These all 4 courses are paid one, but here you can get access for free. That will be lifetime. So let me show you one by one what you are getting in this video. What are the courses we are having in this video? First course is about Amazon AWS DevOps Engineer Professional Exam. So here you will get the access to 4 practice tests, which each is having 75 questions. So in total, you will get 300 questions for practice. Next is about AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Exam, where you will get 4 sets of each is having 75 questions. Next is about 4 hours on demand video course that is for data analytics A to Z with Python. So here you will learn data analytics, Python programming, you will learn data visualization, and other part of this course will cover everything. You can see the content here. Next, it's related to GCP, Google Cloud. So here you will get the access to Google Professional Data Engineering Practice Test. Here also you will have the 4 sets, but here you will get 200 questions. So it's good enough for practicing if you are preparing for this exam. If you are not preparing now, but if you have the plan in future, so you can enroll for these courses. So you will have the lifetime access for these courses. So let's start one by one. So now I'll apply coupon one by one for each course. So for AWS DevOps Engineering, we have the coupon code this one. I'll share these all links and coupon code in the end of this video. So stay tuned. So you can see this is now available for free. Let's see the next one. For Solution Architect Professional Exam, you have the coupon code here. This one. Once you will apply it, it will also become free. So now we need to apply coupon code for this one. Data analytics, you just need to go here and apply the coupon. Now you can check this course is also available for free. Now in the last, we will go for the Google Cloud Professional. So now you see that all the 4 courses are available for free. Coupons are still working, so you can grab it as soon as possible. So where you will get it? So I have documented everything here in this link. So I'll share this link in the comment section and also in the description box. Just check it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are looking for such coupons for free, then don't forget to click on subscribe button so you will get the alert once it is uploaded. I'm working on more coupons, so we'll share as soon as available. So here you can see the page where you have all 4 courses and the coupons are available and with the links of these courses. So don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel for more learning resources for free. See you in the next video.